Hello friends, welcome to Vigyan Chintan. Today I am going to discuss a question from class 9th science chapter 10 gravitation. This question is taken from exercise type of questions. Question number is 16. Before going to discuss this question, I request you to please watch the entire video. Don't skip it, okay? So let's start. Question number is 16. Calculate the force of gravitation between the earth and the sun. Given that the mass of the earth is 6 into 10 to the power 24 kg and of the sun is 2 into 10 to the power 30 kg, the average distance between the two is 1.5 into 10 to the power 11 meter. So there are mass of earth, mass of sun and the distance between them is given, and we need to calculate the force of gravitation between them. So let's start. Given mass of earth is represented by me, which is equal to 6 into 10 to the power 24 kg. Mass of sun is represented by capital MS, which is equal to 2 into 10 to the power 30 kg. And the distance between them is capital R, which is equal to 1.5 into 10 to the power 11 meter. The third thing, which is not given in these questions, but still you know it, which is capital G, universal law of gravitation. So the value of capital G is 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11 Newton meter square per kg square. This is the value of capital G. We need to find out force between them, F. Now for the force of attraction, capital F is equal to capital G into mass of earth into mass of sun over distance between them whole square, means R whole square. This is the formula of F. F is equal to G m into m upon R square. When we substitute the value 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11 into 6 into 10 to the power 24 into 2 into 10 to the power 30 over 1.5 into 10 to the power 11 whole square. ठीक है, we multiply number together and power solve by using power and exponent case. So let's start. So here I write 6.67 into 6 into 2 into 10 to the power 30 plus 24 minus 11 over, when we do square we multiply 1.5 into 1.5 into, when we square power with another power it get multiply, so 10 to the power 22. This is done by a property a raised to the power m raised to the power n is equal to a raised to the power m into n. So 10 raised to the power 11 whole square is equal to 10 raised to the power 11 into 2, and it's become 10 raised to the power 22, like this. You understand it? So now I multiply this. Now we multiply it 6.67 into 6. 6 7 ja 42, 4 carry, 6 6 ja 36, 4 40, 4 carry, 6 6 ja 36, 4 40. So here point. Now we multiply by 2. 2 2 ja 4, 2 0 0, 2 0 0. So here point. So it will become 80.04. Okay. So 30 plus 24 become 54 minus 11 become 43. So 10 to the power 43. Now I multiply by this 1.5 into 1.5, 5 5 ja 25 to carry, 5 1 ja 5 to 7, 5 1 cancel out, 5 5 2 7 5 12, 1 carry 2. So I apply here 1 2 decimal, so it become 2.25 into 10 to the power 22. Okay, so you write it. So when we further solve it, 80.04 upon 2.25. For removing this decimal, we multiply by 100 in both numerator and denominator, and this become 10 to the power 43, and this power goes into numerator, become minus, so minus 22. Now what? 8004 upon 225 into, when I subtract this 3 minus 2 become 1, 4 minus 2 become 2. Now I divide it, 8004 to 5. First I multiply it by 3, so it goes 3 times. So here I write 3, 3 5 is 15, 3 5 is 15, 1 carry, 3 2 is 6, 1 7, 3 2 is 6. So 10 minus 5 5, and 9 minus 7 become 2, 7 minus 6 become 1. I write here 4. Now it multiply by 5, so here 5 5 5 is 25, 2 carry, 5 2 is 10, 2 12, 1 carry, 5 2 is 10, 1 11. After subtracting, I find 14 minus 5 become 9, and 4 minus 2 become 2, and 2 minus 1 become 1. It is less than divisor, so I apply decimal here and apply a 0. So further I take it 5 times and become 1125. 10 minus 5 become 5, 8 minus 2 become 6, 2 minus 1 become 1, and due to decimal I increase 1 0, and after that I take it 7 times, and it become 7 5 is 35, 3 carry, 7 2 is 14, 3 17, 7 2 is 14, 1 15. So you almost see, so you see here I take it 2 digit after decimal place, so I write here this answer. If you want to write down this division, you can write it, I erase it. After division it will be 35.57 into 10 to the power 21. But you know, in scientific notations we apply decimal after one digit. So when we slide decimal place one digit in left hand side, we increase one power. So I write here 3.557 into 10 to the power 22 Newton. But you know, when this is greater than 5, then we increase one digit here, and this is almost equal to 3.6. So I write here 3.6 into 10 to the power 22 Newton. You can write it, okay, and this will be your answer. Force is equal to 3.6 into 10 to the power 22 Newton. This is the answer of these questions. If you want, you write down it or take a screenshot. I hope guys you like this video. If you like this video, press the like button and share to your friends. If you first time visit our channel, you subscribe also. Okay, I meet you in the next video with the next question. Till then, thank you class.